how to deactivate Instagram account twice a week. So if you want to deactivate your Instagram account twice a week, then follow this process. So if you've already deactivated your account once and you've activated it again, now if you want to deactivate that account twice, and if it's not been a week, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, open up your Instagram. After opening, now as you can see, you'll have this kind of interface. You need to go with the bottom right, which has that profile option, and then go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from here, scroll down, go with the account center. Under the account center, go with personal details. Under personal details, go with account ownership and control, and go with deactivation or deletion. So if you try to deactivate that again, then it won't work, right? It says that you won't be able to deactivate your account twice a week. So instead of deactivating, we need to do the other method, which is first select your Instagram, and here you need to select the second option, which is delete account. Tap on continue, and don't worry, just select a reason and then go with continue. If you select delete your account, then it will not delete your account instantly. It will give you 1 month time. So if you don't activate your account within 1 month, then your account will be deleted. So make sure that you activate your account within 1 month and you'll be good to go. So go with continue and then go with continue again, and it will ask you to enter the password, so you can enter your password and delete your account. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.